Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks. So I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review. In a nutshell, this is a lazy man system that helps you siphon and monetize thousands of engaged buyer leads without ads, a huge audience, or any prior experience. You can use a unique strategy in a done-for-you system that creates interactive lead capture forms and pop-up funnels that turns traffic into engaged subscribers in 60 seconds flat. Now, here's my understanding of what EazyLeadz does. It unlocks hundreds of done-for-you interactive lead capture forms and pop-up funnels. Its unique lead form and pop-up funnel strategy that helps you leverage multi-source traffic. It's a fast and easy setup, so you employ or deploy in under 60 seconds flat, so there's no skills required, no experience necessary. It's 100% done-for-you system that leads magnet copy, tech delivery, and all the other kinds of things that's related to it. And so literally there's no work for you. And it comes with a monetization kit. So they will build your list and then show you how to make money from it. And it's 100% beginner friendly. And you can use it immediately. Now that's my understanding. Let's watch a demo, approximately 17 minutes, that will outline the program for you.
Welcome to the EazyLeadz walkthrough. The process of capturing leads and building a highly targeted list has never been this fast, easy, and seamless. Allow me to show you how it works. The first step is to sign in with your email and password, which will take you directly to your dashboard where all the magic happens. As you can see, we offer various options for converting traffic into loyal subscribers who are willing to repeatedly spend their money with you. Ranging from lead forms to lead funnels and lead pages you can deploy on your websites, landing pages, sales pages, and even social media in 60 seconds flat to capture buyer leads easily. Let's create a simple lead form, shall we? First, click on Create Lead Form, give your form a name, and click on Next. As you can see here, you can create from scratch or choose from hundreds of stunning and attention-grabbing lead form templates ready to go. These are lead magnets that cut across every niche you can think of. I'm positive you'll find something that suits you perfectly here. You can preview the template to get a feel of how it works, and click Select if you would like to use the template. Let's select this one, looks good. You can easily edit this template as you see fit. Just click the Edit button right here, and you can adjust the lead type, text, image or video, terms and conditions if you want, and hit Save and Close. You can also do the same for the thank you page. Adjust the text, add an image or video, add your link, and once you're done, save and close. If you're not satisfied with the theme color, you can easily change that right here with the Add Theme button. Finally, hit Publish and your lead form is ready to go. You can share your lead form on the various social media platforms when you click Share Funnel. Or you can choose to embed your lead form on your website or landing page. Just click on the Embed Funnel option. Here, you can embed your lead form on a page builder or website. All you need to do is copy the link, then simply paste it in the HTML section of your website's settings, hit Save, and boom, it's done. Your lead form is now embedded on your website or page. Next, you can choose to embed your lead form as a pop-up. Simply adjust the pop-up settings as you see fit, hit Reset Code, copy the link and paste it into your website settings, and then save. Now, when visitors land on your site, they'll see your lead form as a pop-up. Or you might want to add your lead form as an announcement bar on your website. Simply adjust the text, background color, and font color to your taste. Don't forget to hit the Reset Code and then copy the link. Paste it in your website settings, and bam! Your announcement bar is right there for all your website visitors to see and interact with. Another option is to embed your lead form as a sticky button on your site. Once again, adjust the settings as you see fit. Hit Reset Code, copy the link, paste it into your website settings, and save. There it is, your lead form as a sticky button on your site. Or you can simply get a hosted link to share on your social media posts, and so on. Finally, the Show Leads option allows you to monitor your leads in real time. Once anyone signs up with your lead form, their details will be captured right here, and you can easily add them to your autoresponder. Just click on Add to List. Select your autoresponder, and your leads will automatically be added to your autoresponder directly from EazyLeadz. Moving on, let's create a lead funnel. Click on Create Lead Funnel. Once again, you can decide to create from scratch or pick from our wide selection of done-for-you lead funnel templates in every niche you can think of. This process is quite similar to creating lead forms. The only difference is the extra first step. Everything else is pretty much the same. Once again, you can choose to edit each step in your lead funnel to suit your preference. Adjust the text, image or video, link settings, theme color, and so on. When you're satisfied with everything, just hit Publish, and your lead funnel is ready to be shared on the various social media platforms or embedded on your websites, landing pages, sales pages, and so on. Finally, let's create a lead page. First things first, click on Create Lead Page, name your page, and hit Next. Now, you can go ahead and add any element you want. Add a headline or body copy, add an image or video. You can easily copy and paste a link from YouTube or Vimeo, or upload directly from your computer. Add a lead form, of course. You can even include a countdown timer to spike up some urgency. Once you're satisfied with everything, hit Save. Go ahead and copy the link to your lead page. Now, you can use this link anywhere to convert traffic to loyal subscribers. That's it. Fast, easy, and seamless.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.